Hey, welcome. How are you? Are you ready for some Fitness Pilates? I seriously hope you are. Let's start in a seated position, and remember, always give this video the thumbs up and subscribe and share with as many people as you possibly can. So it depends how you feel, how your hips are sitting, but I want you to lift up out of the ribs, lift tall, but bring your shoulders back and down. So just place your hands on your knees, maybe some imbalance, a little bit of tightness around the hips there. That's fine. Let's ease it round. So look to the right and then left. So again, as always, if you're feeling any pain at all, just take this really easy. If your neck feels quite stiff, if you slept a bit funny last night, just take your time. One more. Okay guys, drop the chin forward and then taking the head slightly back. Again, just drop forward and then come back to the center. You've got it. Let's just roll the shoulders back. Roll. Strange way to say that. Place your hands on your shoulders and open up the shoulder girdle. Okay, I hope you're feeling good and positive today. Happy vibes, high vibes. Single shoulder roll and then left. Ease it back. So think about still lifting up and lengthening the spine. Now both shoulders together. How does that feel? Shoulders are moving smoothly, or is there any clicks and grinds? Maybe there is. Okay, bring the elbows back. Now think about the shoulder blades. If you want to close your eyes and really feel how your shoulder blades are moving, they're coming together and then apart. Good, one more. Hold your hands together, rotation to the right. And center. Notice where the tight areas are. Everywhere. Again, rotation. And then left, rotate back. Come through. Squeeze the elbows. Again. Now if you probably haven't got the luxury of being able to see yourself in a mirror, but keep the shoulders down and really focus on that retraction. You can do it. Bringing your forearms together now. Squeeze back. That's good. Let's do one of each. So bring the forearms parallel to the floor and then into a pec deck. Gosh, it's getting warm here. Lovely. Breathing gently but deeply. Last time. Good, and push back. Feel that now. Again, now with your head, look over your right shoulder. Center left. Good, one more. Now drop the head down. And then look back. And you got center. Hold it there. You got it. Now both arms out. Shoulders down. Rotation to the left. Center again, just easy mobility work, rotation. That's nice. Roll back with the shoulders. And if you've not done any of my workouts before, my name's Rachel. I'm the creator of Fitness Pilates, and here on this channel you'll find so many different variations of Fitness Pilates, all styles, using no equipment, some small pieces of equipment to give you plenty of variety. The whole arm now circles back. You got one more. Okay, just loosen off there. That's good. Well done. How do you feel? You okay? You feeling good? Now let's just bring your legs out in front. Okay, sitting up tall again. I want you to flex. So flex and point. There we go. Sunshine. And everybody always leaves a comment about this track. You know it's such a lovely track. Just flex and point. Now bend your left knee. Sit up tall and lift. And lift. Now again, deeply contract the core as you lift that leg up and change. Here we go. Lift. Getting warmer in here. Ooh, fly together. One more. Let's change to the other side. Here we go. We lift. Good. Just feeling how that quad and hip flexor are feeling. And the other side. Change. Sunshine. So you're sitting up really tall here. Good. One more time. Good. And relax. So I'm going to turn side on. We're going to start from the top. We're going to tilt the pelvis and roll back halfway. And then come forward. Sunshine. So we just tuck under with the pelvis, relax your shoulders. So again, visualize that you're going back really symmetrically. One more. Life is a better place. So you'll go all the way down. Good. Take both arms out. Have a little stretch. Fingers behind your temple. Thumbs on your temples. Fingers behind your ears. Now extend your right leg and at the same time add a curl. So we breathe out. We curl. Breathe in. We'll do 2 more and then we'll switch. One more time. The other leg. Change. Here we go. Good. 2 to go. One more. Now feet down on the ground. Continue with a curl. Last one. Good. Both arms out. Just allow the knees to roll to the side. And click there. Come back in. Over the top. Step ahead in the other direction. Bring the knees into the chest. We're going to do the single leg stretch, a bit of a variation. You can change the angle of this movement, but we're going to catch and bring that knee in. Good. Point the toe. If you need some support, just take the hands behind your head. And okay, let's tempo. Here we go. So, 2. Good. Lift the head and shoulders. Keep going. Lower abdominals are working hard. 8 more. 2. 3. Life is a better place. Bring both knees in and release. Put both arms out. Tiptoes on the floor. Knees to the side. Head looks the other direction. Over the top again. Life is a better place. Let's bring the knees in and just roll up. Now let's do some rolling like a ball. If your lower back, like mine, is quite stiff, just kind of gauge this. You want to tilt the pelvis underneath and just roll back, but not onto your neck, and then come up. And you really do feel the areas of your spine that are very stiff. It's not an easy exercise to do. Roll and lift. So tilt the pelvis, roll, and come up. Great exercise for mobility. Tilt and in. And in. 2 more. Just roll, up and in. 1 more. Good. In. Feet down. Roll down again. Taking both arms out, just lengthen the whole of the body. Okay, we're going to turn around and do some gentle work for our glutes and our lower back. Okay, just move my mic. Okay, so let's focus on contracting the glute first of all. So squeeze the glute, lift the leg, lower it and then let it go. So squeeze the glute, lift the leg, lower. Now both together. Squeeze and lift, lower and release. Do that again. Squeeze the legs together. Squeeze the glutes. Right side. Squeeze, lift, lower and down. And again. Squeeze, lift, lower. Both together. And lift. Good. Just 1 more. Keep the thighs squeezed together. Lower back. Beautiful. Now fingers to your temples. Keep that squeeze on the glute there. head down. So we lift the head and shoulders and release back. Good again. Squeeze. And lower. And down. Lovely. 2 more, everyone. Squeeze back. And down. Just 1 more. Squeeze back. Now we'll keep the head down. Bring your hands into that square position. Again. Retraction. And let it go. Let's do 2 more there. So squeeze back. Trying to keep the shoulders down, but get that retraction in. 1 more. Squeeze. All the way. Now right arm, left leg. And lift the head and shoulders at the same time. The other side. 1, 3, 4, and down. Just 1 more. Squeeze back. And release. Well done. Now place your hands underneath your shoulders. Push up. Bring the knees a little bit closer together. There you go. Stretch into your lower back. Arch up and lift. And again, tilt the pelvis. Come underneath and hold. Arch and lift. Good, and just sit back. Oh, there we go. There we go. And there's a little mini floor-based Fitness Pilates Abs and Back Workout. Again, let me know what you think. Is that nice and easy? Repeat that twice through. Leave me a comment. I need to hear from you. Give me the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on tomorrow's workout.